Hi everyone!
Welcome to Kayla Adventures.
Welcome to Kayla Adventures!
Today we're gonna do DIY slime.
So what did we get from this kit? DIY slime, a DIY slime kit. What do you have?
Glue,
We have glue,
tool,
mixing sticks,
and a spoon.
also for mixing and I guess measuring.
Glitter, borax, a little cup,
Measuring cup.
and colors. Next is we add one spoonful of borax into the water.
This will be the activator. Mix it well. What does the activator do?
It hardens the glue.
To make it slime. Right. Okay, so what we'll do here is use half a cup of the activator to each container because we are making 2 sets of slime. The borax is already dissolved in the water, so now we'll add pour the activator. Pour half of it here in this container and half of it here in this one.
Okay.
Half.
That's enough? No, it's still not half.
Okay. And the other half.
Now we will add the colors and glitter.
Okay. Right, so now this is after mixing it. Ito, look at the finished slime. It's glittery
And
the color is good. So I guess that putting in a lot of color would make it really cool.
It
And also a lot
already
of
is
glitter.
that cool.
Glittery slime by Kayla.
And Daddy.
Dito kay Daddy, yellow. Very baggy. See? Yellow. But I didn't put in too much glitter. I think that looks better. Pagka mas maraming glitter.
Oh, you should have added one cap.
And later,
We are going to mix
we're
it.
gonna mix it to make a galaxy slime. So if you mix blue and yellow, what color will come out of it? What do you think?
I think it will come out violet. A little
Sa
bit
akin,
with a
I think
rainbow.
it's gonna be green. Let's see.
It's stuck.
Sige, massage it.
It's stuck.
Ala, nalaglag na sa table.
Oo nga.
Ito lang, ito lang.
Hindi, nilalagay sa table. Wala naman nangyayari. Ah!
Guys, make sure that you don't make a mess. Or
If you try this at home.
Mommy's gonna be angry. Ayan, because now we're gonna mix the 2 slimes together to make one galaxy slime. Right, so yan, pahabang muna. Yan, pahabang muna.
Now, ready? Looks so cool.
Nice. So what color is coming out? Ganda.
Oh, it's green.
Yeah, it's becoming green. I told ya. Told ya. Yan. So yan, mixing blue and yellow, it makes green. Tama si Daddy.
I thought it was gonna go violet because I thought it was orange. And when you mix orange with blue, it's orange is kind of like red.
Right. But if it's blue and yellow, it's green. And the color is so cool.
I know it's like there's still more blue, but when you flip,
Fresh.
and it's like
Green
a fresh
glittery
apple.
slime.
It's like a fresh apple.
This is awesome. Okay, I guess that's it. What do you, anything that you want to say? Joke.
Riddle.
Oh, a riddle. Okay, so Kayla's gonna ask a riddle, and you guys
Have
guess.
to answer and put your comments below.
Put your answers below the comments.
My riddle is, I have a face but no eyes. I have arms but no legs. What am I?
Okay, so that's I have a face, but I have no eyes. And I have what? Hands?
I have hands but no feet
Hands, no feet
or legs.
or legs. So what am I? Put your answers on the comments below. Alright, so thank you very much. I guess that's it. All good?
Yep.
Thank you for watching. Bye guys.
See you the next video.